problem that card racks solve is they provide an efficient and effective way for tachograph analysis bureaus to support hundreds of company cards so that they can provide an analysis service.
Been around now about 7 years. There's a so-called USB limitation. It means you can only have a certain number of card readers on a given PC.
We have a lot of customers that want to connect hundreds, potentially thousands of company cards to a single PC or a server, and there's no way they can do that with a USB-based system, so they would have to add a massive amount of IT infrastructure.
You will have hundreds and hundreds of card readers and therefore scores and scores of servers. That's a big overhead. So we designed a product that in a small footprint allows you to have hundreds, potentially thousands of cards on a single server. What's more, each one of those cards is available for the function of remote authentication, so you can gather data from tachographs, and it's also immensely simple to use.
When remote downloading became a thing, it was apparent that it would become a big thing. It was obvious that one of the key elements in the whole flow of a remote download was who gets to host the company card. At first, it became quite straightforward. Okay, each fleet would host their own, but then it became apparent that not all companies had the space and the people to do it efficiently. And that meant that if that company card is not connected at all times to the system, then the whole system becomes unreliable. Actually, at the beginning, we tried to sort it for ourselves because we had that issue. We had our distributors wanted to host cards for their customers. And we came up with an idea. Okay, why don't we create a product that has loads of smart card readers in it? And that's how we started. And soon it became also apparent that this company, our distributors, did not want to host 10 to 20 cards. They actually wanted to host hundreds of cards. We realized, okay, there's actually not just a problem that we can solve, but there's a huge business opportunity for us. And we went all in. We created our own protocol, our own system that in every way handles that problem very elegantly. And now we have customers who have more than 15,000 cards connected to their system running without any single issue.
I think it's fair to say that Hyper has really satisfied an accessibility need that people didn't know was there. So they'd be saying, let's run one company card for 100 trucks and just be compliant. Oh, wait a minute, there's a lot of data in that tachograph. If we unlock the tachograph and we get the real-time data, that kind of thing helps with analysing driver behaviour and improving safety as well. So it's not just about compliance. Main customer would be the leading OEMs and the leading telematics organisations throughout Europe. I'm proud to say that over the last 7 or 8 years, we've acquired most of them as customers, and they are now recommending that product to their end users.